Is Chrome running slow or showing outdated website content? In this video, you'll learn how to clear Chrome's cache on your phone to improve performance and free up storage. So, open the Google Chrome app on your Android phone or tablet. Next, tap the More button, represented by the three dots located near the address bar. This will open Chrome's menu, where you'll find several browsing and settings options. From the menu, tap Delete Browsing Data. Chrome will then display a screen where you can choose what information you want to remove. Now select a time range. You can choose options such as last 15 minutes, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If you want to completely clear the cache accumulated over months or years, select all time. Make sure cached images and files is checked. This option removes temporary files stored by websites. If your goal is only to clear the cache, you can leave browsing history and cookies and site data unchecked. However, if you are troubleshooting website issues, you may choose to clear those items as well. Finally, tap Delete Data or Clear Data, then confirm your choice when prompted. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more helpful phone tips and tutorials.